Alright, stop what you're doing. Samsung just did something absolutely nobody saw coming, and it could mean your Galaxy phone is about to get a massive upgrade way sooner than you think. You know the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7? It literally just launched. But what if I told you that behind closed doors, Samsung is already testing the next major software version on it? This isn't a rumor. This isn't a guess. This is real. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the deal. Samsung has quietly, almost secretly, started internal testing for One UI 8.5. That's insane. We're not talking about the public beta yet, that's still weeks away. This is the super early, inside Samsung stuff, and it's happening right now on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Why does this matter to you? Because it means Samsung is on the absolute fast track. The next huge evolution for your phone is being developed at lightning speed, but here's where it gets a little weird. The Z Fold 7 is in the test lab, but the Galaxy Z Flip 7? It's nowhere to be seen, at least for now. A little bit of foldable drama. Now, we all expect the Galaxy S26 to launch with One UI 8.5 next year. That's standard. But this early testing proves Samsung is hitting the accelerator hard. And you won't believe the clue that gave it all away. So, how do we know this is the real One UI 8.5 and not just some minor update? Get ready for this. It all comes down to a single, tiny letter. A trusted source that tracks Samsung's software builds spotted a new firmware version for the Z Fold 7. The old builds ended in the letter A. The new one? It ends in BYJ1. That single jump from A to B might not sound like a big deal, but in the world of Samsung development, that's the secret handshake. That's the code that confirms a major One UI version jump. We are officially in the One UI 8.5 era. People, my mind is blown, but wait, hold on, don't go checking your phone for an update just yet. This B version is for the Samsung engineers. It's their internal playground. The letter we need to watch for, the one that means it's coming to us. It's the letter Z. When you see a firmware build pop up with a Z in its name, that is our green light. That signals the official public beta is about to drop, and insiders are pointing to late November for that to kick off. Mark your calendars. This is all part of a wild new strategy from Samsung. Think about it. They completely skipped One UI 7.1 and 7.1.1, vaulting straight from 7.0 to 8.0 with the new foldables. Why the rush? Because Google is releasing new versions of Android earlier in the year, and Samsung is putting the pedal to the metal to match that pace. They're not just keeping up, they're trying to lead the pack. Okay, so we know it's coming fast. But what is One UI 8.5 even going to do for your phone? This is where it gets wild. This isn't just a few new widgets. We are talking about a massive visual and functional refresh that will make your phone feel brand new. First up, a redesigned UI with these gorgeous new frosted glass elements. Imagine your notifications and quick panel having that slick, semi-transparent look. Then there are the animations. They're promising them to be smoother, more fluid, and just more satisfying to use. And wait till you see this. Rumors are pointing to new 3D icons with actual shadows that pop right off the screen. That's the kind of detail that makes a phone feel premium. On top of all that, expect deeper customization options, a seriously upgraded suite of Galaxy AI tools, and dozens of system-wide refinements. This isn't just an update, it's a total glow-up. This might just change everything. Samsung might be completely changing how it rolls out these mid-cycle updates. Normally, a 0.5 update just appears one day. No warning, no beta program. But for One UI 8.5? Sources are saying it might get its own dedicated public beta program. This is huge. It means we, the users, could get our hands on it early, test out the features, and help Samsung squash the bugs before the final version goes live. It's a total win-win and shows Samsung is listening more to its community. The stable public release is still expected to launch alongside the Galaxy S26 in early 2026. So, the golden question, will your phone get the beta? If you're rocking the latest and greatest, you're almost certainly in luck. The beta will likely open first for the Galaxy S5, S5 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Shortly after, we expect the Galaxy S24 series to join the party. And for our foldable crew, you can bet the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will be at the front of the line, with last year's Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 probably getting access to .Alright, that is the latest intel I've got for you. This situation is developing fast, and you know I'll be back with a new video the second more leaks drop, if you're as hyped as I am for a massive Galaxy overhaul. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. And drop me a comment below what's the one feature you are most excited to see in One UI 8.5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.